Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan, and today I'm going to make a review about this software Spectra. Plus, also going to talk about the amazing bonuses that I've made. And this software has been created by my good JV friend um, Dimitris D. Papa. He is always straightforward with his products, and whoever has purchased his products using my recommendation, including my students, my followers, were able to make money online. um, Very straightforward guy. He can be strict at sometimes, but yes, his value is definitely helps people make money online. So I'll quickly jump to my screen now and um, share about this product. Okay, so let's go to my screen. That's my Facebook profile. You can always reach out to me if you want to learn from me directly from my mentorship program. So this is the software Spectra. We will come back to this in a bit. I'll quickly jump to this section. So what is Spectra all about? So Spectra is a software, a native ads software. And before I get into the details of the product and native ads and everything, let me quickly scroll down and tell you, if you choose to buy this product using my link, and if you choose to purchase the entire funnel of this product using my link, you're going to get exclusive bonus if you go for the full funnel purchase. This is going to cost you about $292. The price can be up and down depending on when you are watching this video. And these are the prices of the different front end and upsells of Spectra. So if you purchase all of this, you will get my product, implement my one-on-one mentorship that usually costs about $1,000 to $5,000 depending on how much effort is required on my part to help the student. The good news is, if you buy the whole funnel using my link, then you would get my personal one-on-one product implementation mentorship. I've personally done 4,000 one-on-one calls, and I have that experience where I'm able to help my students make a good deal of money. But if you don't have that much money to purchase the entire funnel, you can just purchase the front end, and you're going to get all of these bonuses just for purchasing the front end. You can read this here. You get this if you just buy the front end. So all of these bonuses are based on just the front end purchase. You can go through this and you can see these are my students who made money with my mentorship program. You can see the results. So let's jump into the part on what is native ads exactly. So um, what are native ads? Native advertising is a non-intrusive ad format that is based on integrating an advertisement into the natural editorial style of a website or news platform. They seamlessly blend into the website or platform they appear on and resemble organic content. However, they should so one of the most common types of native advertising is sponsored articles on different news platforms or sites. However, native advertisements can take several different forms. In fact, you're regularly exposed to native advertising on social media, though you may not even realize it. Now, just understand one thing. If you are frustrated with Google Ads suspensions, Facebook Ads suspensions, and Bing Ads suspensions, this tool can help you uh, get out of that zone and still send traffic to affiliate offers and make money online without getting worried about Google, Facebook, and Bing suspensions. And this has millions of traffic. Now, just an example of, there are three kinds of native ads: in-feed content, content recommendation ads, and branded content ads. You can read the description here by pausing the video. I'll just show you an example of how a native ads looks like. So I'll just go to this website, NBC News. Now at the top, you should be able to see the website content and all that stuff here, right? Which is posted by NBC News itself. However, if you come down, you would see something which says sponsored. This content blends in the form of articles, but this is a sponsored content. This is native ads. And these are people who are running these native ads and these are affiliate offers or their own digital products. So if I click on any of these, let's say if I click on this one, you would see this is from Taboola here. You can see Taboola is one of the native ads platforms, and it would take me to the offer. So it just took me to some website, and this website happens to be it is in the form of news uh, editorial, but it would take me to an e-com product or an affiliate offer. And you see it's talking about this smartwatch, and if I click this thing, it would take me to the checkout page. So technically you can even do e-com with native ads. And you see it just took me here. So it was blended with this, so people reading these articles might click on it, and this works, guys. Okay, so this definitely works with different kinds of offers. Now coming to the, let's go to the next slide here. In what different ways can you make money with native ads? So first of all, you need to understand native ads can be expensive if you are on a budget, but you can still make money with this amazing tool even if you're on a budget by these methods. Now, I personally make money and have made money from various different methods. I'm a public speaker myself. You can see tons and tons of testimonials on my Facebook profile. So I have made money from all various forms, and let me show you this. So if you see here, you can see I keep getting sales, right? So I have tested these platforms, and definitely native ads works. I have got results with all of this, and because I personally tested these things. So if I go to my other dashboard here, you can see the number of sales. This is my account, of course. And you can see the number of sales here: 14 sales, 12 sales, 15 sales, and you can see the amount here: 623, 580. So I keep I make money. uh, I make consistent money using different methods. Okay, well, you can believe if I'm telling you something if you don't know me. Okay, now that being said, you can make money with native ads by doing affiliate marketing. You can use native ads to promote affiliate offers from ClickBank, Digistore, JVZoo. You can provide agency services, native ad agency services to brands and spread and brands, and charge a monthly fees of $1,000 per month or maybe more depending on the client. You can uh, do freelancing. You can offer native ad services via Fiverr or Upwork to clients and charge anywhere between $25 to up to $250 for a single native ads gig. And using Spectra, where your work will become even faster and you can deliver your gig in less than a few hours. So let's say if you get 2 orders per day on Fiverr for $100 each, you can earn $1,200 per week up to $4,800 per month. Now I want to prove myself if I'm saying something. If you go to Fiverr and just type native ads, you can see people charging $85 here. I will design a converting native ads image just for an image. So I will write copy for Taboola, Outbrain, and native ad advertisement, $95. Now, if I scroll down, you can see people charging as high as $250. I will set up a Taboola campaign, native ad expert, 15 years, $250. So there's a lot of opportunity in native ads, and not many people are experts in this because it requires complex work. But with this amazing training and with this amazing software, you can your work with native ads will become super easy, trust me. So you can see I have got sales on ClickBank as well. So I know what I'm talking about, right? You can see the sales here, and yep, pretty much. So that being said, what is included in this? So first of all, go to um, if I go to this part on Spectra, First of all, Spectra includes an exact blueprint to drive unlimited traffic to your website offer or e-com stores. Automated system in driving buyers daily using the 3 steps shown using Spectra training, full video training modules, over the shoulder step-by-step instructions with a real case study which generated over $1,000 in commissions. So the front end is the price of front end is about $27, and you can read this by pausing this video. I'll go to the dashboard and show you what is included. Spectra orientation, proof of results, what are native ads exactly, what different affiliate platforms you can use to run native ads and to get offers from, how to make money with Spectra and native ad platforms. We will be using how to find offers to promote landing pages and done for you templates, creating your first direct linking native ads campaign, creating a native ads campaign with a landing page, creating a native ads campaign with third-party tracking, creating a native ads campaign with max bounty, how to scale with native ads, Spectra conclusion. Now, apart from this, they have a Spectra tracking tool. And let me show you one example here. So let's say if I simply go to ClickBank here, and if I just click top offers here, so let's say Pro Dentim. This is one of the top offers right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Spectra. I'm going to type Pro Dentim and click find and see if the software finds any kind of offers. Now, as you can see, this software actually pulled up number of ads that are running that are related to Pro Dentim on different platforms. So if I just click this thing, you see, if I click this URL thing, it copies the URL, and I can simply go to this URL, and this ad is technically, this is the landing page, right? So in a single click, I was able to find a winning landing page. Now, you can provide this service on Fiverr by saying, I will design a winning landing page for you for native ads and charge maybe $50 for that. You see, there are people who are charging, I will create an editorial landing page for native ads and ad roll and outbrain. You see, so you can make this kind of landing page very quickly. If you don't know how to make landing pages, and if you buy the entire funnel, I will personally help you do that. Okay, but let's say if you don't know how to make landing pages, it is also included in the front end training. Okay, so this is one thing. Now, if I go back to Spectra here, and let's say this is running on the ad network Outbrain. So now I know that this particular offer, Pro Dentim offer, is running on Outbrain. So I can run it on Outbrain. What affiliate network it is from? It is from ClickBank. I can see that as well. So how cool is this? This is a very powerful tool. You can even charge for research services by telling people that you would provide them research about an offer. There's a lot that you can do, guys. Okay, then they have the split testing thing. Let's go back to the upsell one. What is included in the upsell? Spectra tracking split testing. This is a much needed upgrade for your journey with native ads. Our tracking split testing tool will allow you to pinpoint which sources are bringing you sales. So you can focus on maximizing results based on the data you will be getting from the tracking. You will also be able to split test up to 6 offers or lenders. Then they have this cost like $37 one-time payment. OTO means one-time offer. Then they have this small downsell, but I personally recommend going always for not going for the downsell, but go for the upsell, because you get less features in downsell. Spectra done for you landers. In this package, you will be getting 40 done for you ClickBank pages, 10 splash pages, 10 editorial pages, 10 quick pages, 10 opt-in pages. So you don't have to design anything from scratch. And top performing websites for each platform, Rev Content, and GID. So this is a much needed upgrade if you want results faster and you don't want to go through the hassle of creating the pages. Then we have the downsell, but just go for the upsell. But in this case, if you don't want to spend an extra 67, you can still spend 67 for the downsell and get 20 done for you landing pages. Upsell number 3 is Spectra Advanced Training and Case Studies plus Private Inner Circle. This is just $97. So if you just buy the entire funnel, it is going to cost you less than $300, and you will be able to get my bonus number 6, which is an entire implementation bonus. Okay, it's a complete implementation bonus where I will personally help you implement the entire product. Okay, and if you can't buy the whole funnel, you can just simply buy the front end, and you will still get all of these bonuses mentioned here. If you just get the front end, you can see the yellow tabs here. Okay, so that being said, guys, this is pretty much, I think I covered most of the part, and there's nothing missing here. Once you buy your product, you can simply scroll down and come to this particular section here. And you need to send me an email at imcshabir along with your Warrior Plus affiliate transaction ID, and I will email you the above bonuses within 24 to 48 hours. If you face any issues in getting the bonuses, you can also send me a direct message on my Facebook profile by clicking here, and I will respond to you. So if you click this, you will instantly be taken to my Facebook profile. Okay, so if you have watched the video until here, make sure you get this offer. You can find the buying link just below this video, or maybe if you're watching this on my page, so you can click any of these buttons, any of these yellow buttons here, and you can still buy this product. Okay, so that being said, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you click that bell notification and subscribe, because I come up with best products and reviews, and I also provide the best bonuses I can. Okay, have a great day ahead.